Welcome to Astro Learning Adventures! And today, we're doing ABC magnets!
Cool!
And we're gonna put them on the fridge. Look, today I'm having an assistant! My sister, look! Lainey, say hi to the camera.
Hi, my name is Lainey.
Are you ready to start?
Yay! Let's start.
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
I'm gonna ask you the letters and pass them to me. Can you find letter A for me?
Here you go, Asher.
Thank you.
Asher, what is A for?
Apple. Apple. Alright, can you find B for me?
Where B could be?
B right here, look.
Oh yeah. Here you go.
Thank you. B.
Asher, where is B for?
Balloons. Balloons. Can you find C for me? This is the letter I.
Here you go.
Thank you. C.
And what is C for?
Cat. Cat. That is sad. That is cat.
Now, what letter do you need?
D. You go here. You go
Oh.
here. D.
What is D for?
Dinosaur. George likes dinosaurs.
Now, Asher, what letter do you need?
E.
Here you go.
Thank you. Wait. E.
Asher, what is E for?
Egg.
And do you like egg?
Yeah. Wait, the letter A fell.
Now, what letter do you need?
Egg.
Okay, let's find that.
What? I found the F. Thank you. F.
And what is F for?
Fox. Fox.
What letter do you need?
G.
What? I didn't hear you.
G.
Very good. Here you go.
Thank you. G.
I think you have to put it running.
Oh,
What is G for?
giraffe. Giraffe.
Asher, where can you find the giraffe?
On the jungle.
Very good. Asher, what letter do you need?
H.
Let me find it for you. Here we go.
Thank you.
It's upside down.
H.
Asher, where is H for?
H for house.
Oh, yes.
House.
Asher, what letter do you need now?
H-I.
Wait. I find it for you.
Oh,
Here you go.
thank you. I.
Where is I for?
Ice cream.
I like ice cream.
Me too. That.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J.
Here.
Thank you. J.
Where is J for?
Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
And next, what is the letter?
H-I-J-K.
Here we go.
Thank you. K.
What is K for?
Koala. Koala.
Very good. Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L.
Here we go.
Thank you.
And what is L for?
Lemon. Lemon.
What letter do you need now?
H-I-J-K-L-M.
Asher, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M N. Ah!
Put it right there.
N. What is it? Wait, do you know what's that N for?
Yes, it is a narwhal.
Narwhal.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. I think P.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Thank you. Oh.
What is O for?
I don't know.
Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus.
Where you can find octopus?
Underwater.
Now, what letter do you need, Asher?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P.
Here you go.
Thank you. P.
What is P for?
Pencil. Pencil.
What do you use the pencil for?
To draw.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Q.
Here you go.
Q.
What is Q for?
Queen. Queen.
Where do queen live?
Castle.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Here.
R.
What is R for?
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. Thank you. S.
What is S for?
Sun. Sun.
Where is the sun?
Up the sky.
It's correct. Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T.
Here it is. Ah! No, that's Now, what is T for?
Tiger.
Now, what letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U.
Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
What is U for?
Umbrella. Umbrella.
In what you can use the umbrella?
To stop the rain.
What letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-V. V.
Here you go.
Thank you. V.
Asher, what is V for?
Violet. Violet.
What letter do you need?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y. W.
Here you go.
I was fixing up W. I was fixing up the thing.
What is the letter W for?
Watermelon. Watermelon.
Now, what's the next letter?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X.
Here we go.
Thank you. X.
Where's X for?
Xylophone.
How you can play a xylophone?
I can grab them and do this.
Now, what's the next letter?
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S-T-U-V-W-X-Y.
Y.
Thank you. Ah, I pushed up the T.
What is Y for?
Young?
What is the next letter?
HIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Thank you.
This is the last letter of the alphabet. What is Z for?
Zipper. Zipper.
High five.
High five. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.